Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to present to you Yutong's latest T-Series Luxury Executive Coach. The product reflects the distinctive brand DNA of Yutong: safety, reliability, and ride comfort. Sporty and stylish bus design with modern aesthetics. Sleek lines and soft edges create a beautiful sight on the road. In the design process, we surveyed both drivers and passengers and made targeted improvements. The powertrain mounting system is adjusted in conformity to Yutong's high standards. Strict control of the decoupling rate and isolation rate brings world-class NVH performance. After rounds of screening, DAF MX-11 stood out with first-class noise and vibration control. The coach was rated the quietest vehicle for travel in the UK market. In addition to the adoption of ZF axle and suspension, Yutong fine-tuned the damping system and further improved damper parameters. Optimized damping system plus full airbag suspension delivers top-class ride comfort and passenger experience. The interior features an elegant color scheme. The 7-color ambient lights further improved onboard environment. The ergonomic seats are equipped with extra-wide, extra-thick seat and back cushions, a 140-degree swivel, and a 3-point belt. Our hand-picked air conditioner assembly delivers 38,000 kcal per hour cooling capacity. In the standard trim package, the AC has no heating function, yet it's an option to add. The all-electric model provides 36,000 kcal per hour in the heating mode and zone control to maximize ride comfort. Meanwhile, to better driver experience, we adopted Continental's full LCD instrument cluster and imported central electrical box for one-button start, making driving easier and smarter. As for power, the DAF MX-11 diesel engine provides great torque and climbs a 20% slope easily. If you would need a new energy model, you can choose from single, dual high-power motor as your operation may require. Besides, bus safety is safeguarded by 5 technologies: EBS, ABS, ASR, ESC, and HAS, plus professional CAE analysis and verification. The model is tested to be consistent with EU rollover safety requirements. This is a luxury series with worry-free operational reliability, robot welding, whole vehicle electrophoresis, automated painting, aluminum pull skin, and other world-leading technologies lay a solid foundation for vehicle reliability. High-end parts sourced from global suppliers such as the DAF MX-11 engine, ZF AT gearbox, ZF RL75E front axle with large steering angle, ZF A132 rear axle, full airbag suspension, Wabco control system, IKASE, and Bosch steering system ensure operational reliability from every angle. The T-Series has diesel and new energy products. Vehicle length varies 12 meters, 13 meters to 14 meters. A full selection for you to choose from. The Yutong V Plus intelligent management system that seamlessly connects hardware and software is available to all products of the series. To enable remote data exchange and smart management and provide easier and safer operation, real-time data monitoring displays the energy consumption and faults of your fleet in real time for you to make judgments and decisions about potential events. The Energy Consumption Management module tracks energy consumption in real time. Big data analysis effectively reduces energy costs. Remote fault diagnosis and remote fault diagnosis of parts allow prompt operation resumption. The Business Operation Report, built on big data analysis, gathers the daily, weekly, and monthly operation data of your fleet, including mileage, energy consumption, and time. The Battery Analysis Report fully presents battery usage and provides improvement suggestions to optimize usage habits and extend battery life. Driving Behavior Analysis assesses drivers' behavior from 3 aspects, namely safety, energy efficiency, and passenger comfort, to help improve driving habits. The predecessor of this series has been operating in the UK in batches for 3 years, achieving great market performance and customer recognition. Safe, reliable, comfortable, and intelligent. Yutong T-Series, a better travel option for all.